at TB Elementary in Compton, Los Angeles, California, teaching kids about nutrition, about sports. It's a soccer clinic. Basically, Son of Gold, it's going to be the arm of La Golda Animation that is going to try to help the world in many, many different causes.
You guys ready to play some soccer in the rain today? When you take a fun activity like soccer, something that kids would like to do, and you intertwine that with giving back to the community, and you also incorporate things like proper nutrition, it really just pulls it all together.
Thank you all for having us here. This is a great opportunity for all of us to give back.